Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then create your first AVD. Open Android Studio, make sure the SDK and an emulator image are installed. This is required so the emulator can boot. Once done, go to AVD Manager, click Create Virtual Device, pick a phone profile and a suitable system image. Choose x86 for speed. Make sure hardware acceleration is enabled, HAXM or hypervisor, because it dramatically reduces boot time and improves app testing responsiveness. Next, you refine configuration and launch the emulator so you can run your app. In the AVD editor, adjust RAM, VM heap, and storage to match your app's demands. This avoids out-of-memory or slow performance. Then pick graphics mode, automatic or hardware for best frame rate, and configure camera, network, and GPS if your app uses sensors. Once configured, start the AVD. You'll see the Android boot. Use extended controls to simulate calls, location, battery, or network conditions for realistic testing. Finally, you deploy and debug while knowing what to do if things go wrong. Run or debug from Android Studio and select your AVD. Logcat and the profiler give runtime insight so you can fix issues quickly. If the emulator is sluggish or misbehaves, try wiping AVD data, cold booting, or restarting a DB and the hardware acceleration service. These steps often resolve corruption and connectivity problems. Make sure to recreate the AVD only if other fixes fail, since that clears custom settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.